Hi, I'm Farooque Rajper, a skilled graphic designer and WordPress web designer with 2+ years of experience. I specialize in logo design, book typography in Sindhi, Urdu, English, Arabic, and Persian, and formatting files between MS Word and PDF. Need a professional presentation? I'm proficient in MS PowerPoint, Excel, and Word. I also bring expertise in Adobe Illustrator, Photoshop, and InDesign to create visually stunning designs. Whether it's designing a brand identity, building a WordPress site, or converting documents, I deliver high-quality work with precision. Let's bring your ideas to life. Message me to get started. Why this works. White heavy checkmark, clear and concise. Highlight skills without overwhelming the viewer. White heavy checkmark, structured flow. Starts with intro, key services, and a call to action. White heavy checkmark, friendly yet professional. Engages potential clients while showcasing expertise. Let me know if you'd like any tweaks. Good luck. Rock it.